Our journey begins where the earth meets the sun, amidst the vibrant heart of a tropical cocoa plantation.
Each pod, a treasure of nature, is carefully hand-selected, ensuring only the finest quality begins our process.
Inside, a symphony of white pulp cradles the precious cocoa beans, awaiting their transformation.
From the branch to the basket, each harvest is a testament to nature's bounty and dedicated hands.
Transported with care, these precious pods embark on their transformative journey from farm to factory.
Under careful supervision, the beans ferment, unlocking the complex flavors that define exceptional chocolate.
Sun-kissed and carefully turned, the beans naturally dry, deepening their color and enhancing their unique aroma. This rhythmic dance ensures even drying, a crucial step in perfecting the cocoa's inherent richness.
Carefully stored, these dried beans await their next stage, preserving their quality and unique characteristics.
Advanced logistics ensure every batch moves seamlessly, maintaining the integrity of our precious cocoa beans.
In the lab, each bean undergoes rigorous inspection, guaranteeing only the highest quality proceeds.
Every dimension, every detail, precisely measured, ensuring each bean meets our exacting standards. The journey accelerates as beans enter the roaster, where heat unlocks their profound, hidden flavors. Precision control guides the roasting, ensuring each batch achieves its optimal flavor profile with exactitude.
Perfectly roasted, the beans emerge, their rich aroma filling the air, ready for the next stage.
Each roasted bean is meticulously sorted, ensuring only the purest form continues its journey.
Through cracking and winnowing, the beans reveal their precious nibs, pure essence of chocolate.
The nibs begin their powerful transformation, entering the grinder, destined to become liquid gold.
Within the concher, friction and heat create the luxurious, molten cocoa liquor, the soul of chocolate. A crucial sample is drawn, ensuring the liquor's perfection before its journey continues. The molten liquor is examined for its pristine texture and deep, captivating color, a visual feast.
From conching, the rich cocoa liquor flows into heated tanks, preserving its perfect consistency.
Finest ingredients, meticulously prepared, stand ready to unite with the rich cocoa liquor. Every gram, every drop, meticulously measured, ensuring a symphony of balanced flavors. Sugar crystals, like stardust, cascade into the vat, beginning the harmonious blend of flavors.
Chocolate mass churns, transforming into a velvety, smooth perfection, a true delight for the senses.
A master chocolatier's discerning palate ensures every batch achieves unparalleled flavor harmony. Through a labyrinth of polished pipes, the refined chocolate mass continues its seamless journey. Tempering, a delicate dance of heat and motion, perfects the chocolate's crystalline structure and luxurious snap.
Perfectly tempered, the chocolate drips, a testament to its exquisite smoothness and readiness.
Along the molding line, tempered chocolate flows with precision into countless waiting molds.
Each intricate mold is precisely filled, ensuring every chocolate bar is a work of art. Within the cooling tunnel, the chocolate solidifies, achieving its perfect snap and luxurious texture.
From the mold, a perfect chocolate bar emerges, a testament to precision and craftsmanship. Rows of perfect chocolate bars glide forward, each awaiting its final, meticulous inspection.
Under the watchful eye of our experts, every chocolate bar undergoes rigorous quality inspection.
Even the slightest imperfection is detected, ensuring only immaculate bars reach our customers.
Flawless bars are gently transferred by robotic precision, ready for their elegant final presentation. Each bar is meticulously wrapped in luxurious, branded foil, preserving its freshness and elegance. Our signature logo, elegantly embossed, signifies unparalleled quality and a luxurious experience. Carefully nestled into custom-designed boxes, our chocolate bars are now ready for their grand reveal. Our exquisite chocolate boxes glide along the line, prepared for their final sealing and journey.
A tamper-evident seal secures each box, guaranteeing freshness and pristine quality upon arrival.
Our quality assurance manager performs the final inspection, a meticulous last step before release.
Securely wrapped, each pallet of exquisite chocolate is prepared for its global journey. Expertly loaded into temperature-controlled containers, our chocolate embarks on its global adventure. Bearing our mark, the container departs, carrying our exquisite chocolate to destinations worldwide.
At its destination, our chocolate graces elegant displays, inviting connoisseurs to experience true luxury.
Each exquisite bar, a masterpiece of flavor and design, awaits its moment of indulgence.
Every detail, from the embossed logo to the exquisite typography, whispers luxury and quality. A moment of choice, a promise of indulgence, as the perfect chocolate bar is selected.
The transaction is seamless, a final elegant step in acquiring a moment of pure bliss.
Nestled within our luxurious branded bag, the chocolate is now ready for its cherished journey home.
With our exquisite chocolate in hand, the customer departs, carrying a piece of pure, luxurious delight.
A moment of pure bliss, a serene satisfaction that lingers long after the last taste.
Beyond the bar, our chocolate transforms into a comforting hot cocoa, a warm embrace.
From bean to bar, a journey of passion, precision, and unparalleled, luxurious chocolate. Every journey begins with discovery, rooted in the Earth's embrace, where nature's bounty thrives.
From the rich soil, a precious pod, held with reverence, embodies the promise of pure flavor.
Generations learn, hands reaching for the future, embracing the legacy of the cocoa tree.
Under the sun's patient gaze, the beans transform, absorbing warmth, deepening their essence over time.
Within rustic wooden boxes, a gentle fermentation begins, awakening the bean's complex character.
From a delicate crack to a powerful machine, each bean finds its perfect roast, transforming entirely. With expert precision, every parameter is fine-tuned, ensuring the perfect roast for each unique bean.
From aromatic nibs to a powerful grinder, the journey to molten chocolate begins with force.
The molten cocoa liquor flows like a dark river, a testament to its luxurious, fluid perfection. With a delicate touch, pure vanilla is introduced, perfecting the symphony of flavors within. Through powerful rollers, the chocolate mass is refined, achieving an unparalleled, luxurious smoothness.
Scraped to perfection, the chocolate mass reveals its exquisite, velvety, smooth consistency.
The perfectly refined chocolate paste glides towards tempering, a testament to smooth, continuous flow.
In perfect synchronicity, automated tempering machines meticulously prepare the chocolate for its final form. Each elegant mold, precisely filled, ensures every chocolate piece is a miniature masterpiece.
Vibrations ensure perfection, releasing every air bubble, crafting flawless, smooth chocolate surfaces.
Into the cooling tunnel, the chocolate journey continues, solidifying into its perfect, crisp form.
Flawlessly demolded, each chocolate piece reveals its exquisite sheen and perfect, crisp edges. With artistic precision, delicate edible transfers adorn each chocolate, adding a bespoke touch.
A vibrant array of exquisitely decorated chocolates glide along, each a miniature work of edible art.
Every decorated piece undergoes a meticulous final inspection, ensuring artistic perfection and flawless quality.
Even the smallest decorative flaw is detected, ensuring only masterpieces reach our esteemed customers.
A robotic arm delicately places each decorated chocolate into its luxurious, velvet-lined sanctuary. Nestled in velvet, each chocolate piece glides towards its final, elegant presentation box.
With meticulous care, each tray finds its place within the exquisite, multi-tiered gift box.
The elegant lid closes, revealing our signature logo, a promise of exceptional indulgence within.
In our studio, skilled hands meticulously arrange each gift box, ready for its captivating portrait.
Lens captures perfection, translating the elegance of our chocolate into stunning visual artistry.
Digital artistry refines every image, ensuring our chocolate's beauty is perfectly showcased online.
From screen to print, every advertisement is meticulously crafted, conveying our brand's unparalleled luxury.
Our story begins in nature's heart, where cocoa pods ripen under the gentle morning sun.
Each pod, a gift from the earth, is carefully selected, a testament to nature's perfection. Witnessing the harvest, a child's wonder connects generations to the cocoa's timeless story. Under the sun's warm embrace, each bean patiently dries, deepening its color and inherent flavor.
Within these rustic boxes, nature orchestrates a magical transformation, awakening profound flavors.
From a delicate crack, the bean enters the roaster, its transformation guided by precise heat. Precision at its finest, a technician expertly fine-tunes the roast, ensuring optimal flavor development.
From fragrant nibs, the mighty grinder roars to life, beginning the creation of liquid chocolate.
The rich, molten cocoa liquor flows, a cascade of pure indulgence, ready for its next stage.
A delicate pour of pure vanilla infuses the chocolate, perfecting its exquisite and complex flavor.
Through powerful rollers, the chocolate achieves unparalleled smoothness, a testament to meticulous refinement.
Scraped to exquisite perfection, the chocolate paste reveals its ultimate, luxurious smoothness. The smooth, refined chocolate paste glides towards tempering, a symphony of continuous, flowing perfection. Automated tempering machines work in harmony, meticulously preparing the chocolate for its flawless final form. Each elegant mold fills with tempered chocolate, creating intricate designs, a true work of art.
Vigilant oversight ensures no air bubbles remain, guaranteeing a flawless, smooth chocolate surface.
Into the cool embrace of the tunnel, chocolate solidifies, achieving its signature crispness and snap.
From the mold, a flawless chocolate piece emerges, a gleaming testament to perfection and luxury.
Artistic hands delicately adorn each chocolate, adding a bespoke touch of vibrant, edible beauty. An abundant array of decorated chocolates glides by, each a vibrant testament to creative craftsmanship.